Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to do the crank that shoulder boy dance. The one that goes crank that shoulder boy up in the oh, why not crank the rubber go. I just saw you go. I just saw you do it. First up would be like so you got that, right? So the last time would be like alright, then the second step is but it's gotta be like a higher note. It's not like it's like so it'll be like I'm sorry, my brother's saying something over there. So outside. Alright, so then this is what it looks like. So you gotta say that though. Alright, now this is the third step, right? The third? 1, 2, 3. No, yeah, 3. Alright, this is the third step. It's gotta be like you have to get the leg in it too. Alright, so now this is what it will look like. Boom. Oh no, wait, messed up. Boom. I know the third part is Superman! Alright, now I'm going to show you what this looks like all together. Alright, here we go.
Soldier boy, tell me. Hey, I got this new damn for y'all called the Soldier Boy. Just gotta push it and crank back 3 times from left to right. Soldier boy, crank it, watch me. Crank that Soldier Boy, Superman.
Alright, that's what it looks like all together. The crank that Soldier Boy dance that goes boom. Alright, that's what it looks like all together.